Good morning, YouTube. It's McMahon 1981. I know I haven't done one of these videos in a while. I've been having a real bad attack of sciatica. It is Sunday morning. It's a little after, I think, 9:30, and it is 79. Feels like 81 already. It's going to be a little warm. I'm doing a cold start of the old John Deere. It hasn't ran in over a week. Be prepared that there's probably going to be some cussing because I'm still learning on how to get it to run when it's been sitting like that, and sometimes I get really aggravated. So here we go. I'll probably end up flooding it. Oop, that was my bad, but anyways, I had it running, so see you later, everybody.